What's up, you guys? I am Mandy.
I'm Courtney.
And we are from Vintage Revivals, and you are back for episode 2 of the Merc renovation. In this episode, we are talking about demo,
framing and sheetrock,
windows,
and Merc perks.
You guys get to learn what a Merc perk is.
You don't want to learn, but you're gonna learn.
So all of this from the kitchen all the way over here, this is phase 1. This is what we're working on right now. All of this open space is phase 2. Hopefully it will start sometime before the end of next year. We decided to turn the whole front of the building into kind of a big foyer. We really wanted to keep the giant storefront windows, but obviously you don't want those looking into a bedroom. So we decided to put our office right here, entryway, and turn this little space into our kitchen. We also have to have something commercial because of the zoning. So our office is the commercial space. We're gonna host really fun pop-up shops and just do like really cool stuff out of it. I'm very excited about that.
You always hear it in everything you see, demo's the funnest thing. It's because it's the funnest thing.
Demo was hard for me because I don't have any upper body strength.
I'm not gonna lie, she has none. Zero.
So almost immediately after we got our demo done, we had the plumber come over because we had to run pipes everywhere.
Merc perk. So I've coined a term, which is Merc perk.
I was doing an Insta story, and there's a little star carved into the wall over here. And it was so cute, and I was showing everyone, I'm like, oh, it's such a little Merc perk. And Court goes, that's not a Merc perk, this is a Merc perk. And he's standing by a big electrical panel that is literally hanging off the wall.
Wires are coming out of it. I mean, you get too close, you're going down.
My definition of a Merc perk is like a quirky thing that we kind of don't have control over, that we are just embracing. What's your definition?
My definition of a Merc perk would be when you're getting ready to purchase a building or purchase a house. This is anything that would be a deal breaker. This is something that would definitely be just a red flag going up. You're done. You're done with the situation.
We thought that the sewer pipe was going to run alongside the Merc. That was the plan that the city had. We had a special guy come out with like this really cool like sonar thing. He starts doing it and he keeps walking across the parking lot, over our wall, into the neighbor's driveway, and then down the neighbor's driveway. That's a Merc perk.
That's a Merc perk, 100%.
This back door is literally the only thing that can open onto our property in the back. Our property line is right here. All of this is not our property.
And this.
Yes. So the building is the property line. That's a Merc perk for sure.
That's the ultimate Merc perk.
Yeah. So we got all the plumbing in, the new concrete poured, and then it was time for framing. And Court, bless his heart, wanted to do the framing.
I mean, that was just a little over ambitious for me. I was going out there a little bit.
Yeah.
I could have done it.
You can screw boards together, but the problem with the Merc, not a single surface.
There's not one level
or
no
plumb.
90-degree angles. I mean, it was crazy.
The windows, oh my gosh. I just need a moment. We needed windows that the company could make to very, very specific sizes. So I did some research, and Andersen Windows can do exactly that. They're so beautiful. And guess what? The best part, we got them from Home Depot.
Simple.
Any chance I have to buy something from Home Depot or to go to Home Depot, I do it.
I mean, even when you don't want to go there, you just end up at Home Depot.
It's like the mothership, like it calls to me. It's like my soul is like connected and it just like draws me in. Let's talk about clearing.
Clearing real quick. My father His name is Clarence.
Yeah.
And every time that he would tighten a bolt down, he would strip it, snap it.
Overdoing it.
And a lot of the times when you overdo it, you mess it up. Since we've been involved with the Merc, it has just been something that is biologically embedded in me.
So this is a great example of Court clearing it. So these windows are 100 years old. They are irreplaceable. There was some water damage around it, so we got all the old wood out. Court siliconed them to death. And there was no water getting in. And then there was this little teeny trim piece that was like this big, and he puts 7 staples in it.
And I was doing good until 6.5. 7 came around, I got a little bit lazy, angled wrong, snapped the glass right at the very bottom, crack, right up in the corner.
Let's talk about flooring.
Let's get on it. Let's talk about it. When I first came in here, there was just water like seeping up through cracks. Merc.
We got all of the floors leveled so that there wasn't any cracks. We have fixed the roof so that water stops coming into the Merc. And Court prepped the concrete.
So I've got my own little prep. Now I don't know if you're a professional flooring major or whatever. If
you've been to college for flooring,
you might say I've done it wrong. But in my mind, I know it's perfect. The first layer would be an elastic paint coat.
3 coats of elastic paint.
Then tar paper, which both of these go on roofs. So I know it's gonna be very good as far as waterproofing. Then I've got a plastic layer, and then we have the subfloor. We drill in the holes in the subfloor, and we're putting silicone through each one of the holes, and then drilling them down. Then, a couple days later, I added more tar paper onto the top. So, you're not getting in water.
I looked on a lot of forums. All of them said to do those things. None of them said to do all of those things. So the sheetrocking guys were awesome. They came in, and in like 4 days, it was all in.
Every single person that has come in here and done a job for us, they'll bring like 13 people in, bust it out in a day, and then they're on their way.
Guys, it literally would have taken us 6 months to do the sheetrock. Honestly, it was a great thing to hire out.
There's only one room that's really important in this whole process. That'd be this room, right here, the theater room. That's all I care about. That's all I wanted was the theater room to myself, and I'm finding out that it's not going to be to myself.
I don't love carpet. Carpet is not something that I'm like usually
and it drives
very
me crazy
about.
that she doesn't like carpet.
I just don't like it.
It's just comfortable laying down on the carpet.
It just gets dirty too easy.
Well, and the kids are sad. I mean, so she throws carpet in the theater room so everybody will come in there.
That is not my ulterior motive at all.
It's not.
So Home Depot has an exclusive line of carpet called Life Proof that is very resistant to children, pets.
It should be called Goobler resistant.
So this renovation is hands down the largest thing we've ever done. Before, we would do a room, and it would have, a handful of projects in the room. But this building is full of rooms that also have handfuls of projects in them. I have walked through these rooms for a year and a half, dreaming about them and planning them. I got a little bit emotional because I was walking around and I was looking at this beautiful space, and I was like, man, we did this. We're finally at a point in the renovation now where it's like a house and it has walls and it's like ready for flooring. And this is where we've started before. And so now we're comfortable. Now we know what we're doing. I can go in and lay tile and I don't feel like I don't know what's going on.
This is just what we do. Mandy comes up with an idea. I feel like it's not a good idea. She talks me into it being a good idea. We jump off the cliff and then we learn how to fly.
So make sure that you tune back in and we will see you next time.